Hello. Right, let's see if we're live on my page. And we are. Okay, so I actually received this order yesterday and I thought, oh, I won't show you. You've probably heard enough of me with our catalogue walkthrough. And then I thought, no, let's, if you like me, you like to see what people are getting anyway. I don't know why it's looking so dark. Let me just see if I can adjust the light and see if it can brighten it up a little bit more. And I don't think it will. Alright, well, we'll just have to do it somewhat in the dark, so bear with me. I don't think that's going to help. Alright, anyway, we'll get into it. So I've already started, if they're to be unpacked or anything, I've already done that, so I couldn't help myself. I couldn't wait. That was last night. So one of the first ones I got was the Create with Friends. I love this. It's a photopolymer. So it's the new style where you can, it doesn't have the printing on the plastic, but you can stick them onto the case, and it's easy to make sure that you've all got them all. And I think it's really cool because it's got some really nice scripts and things that you can use for so many occasions or just general occasions, which is nice. Then we've got Count on Me. This is a cling. This is what I was saying, how I've already gone through and added the labels. I thought this was really cute. This is great if you like to colour, or you can also just do simple colouring outlines or just use them as they are. Line drawings, be lovely. The sentiments, we can make it through anything if we do it together. Love comes in all shapes and sizes. Through thick and thin, count me in. No matter what, I'm here for you. I've got your back. And I also love that, like that one, just if you don't want the no matter what, you can mask that off or leave the I'm off, or even leave the everything but the for you. So you can just do some creative masking and it becomes even more versatile. I just thought that was really, really cute, really sweet. Okay, next up, another sentiment set. So no images, this one. This is also a photopolymer. Thanks, thanks, birthday, happy, hello, friend. And then the scripty, birthday, happy, hello, thanks, friend. So you could layer them up. You could have the happy through the birthday, or the other way around, the birthday through the happy, or just individually or layered, really whatever you would like. Then we have Badger Besties. It says, it's your turn to be celebrated. Thanks for being you. Happy day, you're my bestie. Quite truthfully, I'm not sure. I don't tend to send bestie cards. I might just send hello or hugs or what have you. So I'm not quite sure if that's what I would use, but I love the thanks for being you. I love the rest of them. And they're super cute, aren't they? You could use them together or individually. So cute. That's a cling stamp, that one. Right, if you've got kids, you'll love this one. Pirates and Mermaids. Ahoy there, matey. You're a treasure. It's your birthday. You are so amazing. And then we've got the pirate and the mermaid. But that one here, the it's your birthday, really you could use that with any sentiment. It's very, very versatile and a little bit different. There's also in the catalogue, in the decorative masks, we were talking about that the other day. Am I going to be able to find them quickly? Page 128. They've released a new pack, and you can see it here. There's like a, might be a bit hard to see. There's like a fish tail or scale, fish scale pattern. So that would be really cool to use with the mermaid. So we've got that. Right, what's next? Another one, probably a bit more suited to children, is the Stella Birthday. It's also a cling, and so you've got the kids, the puppy dog. Isn't that cute? And the sentiments are, have a stellar birthday, you're out of this world, celebrating you is a blast, and there's no one like you in the whole universe, and reach for the stars. And I was just thinking, how cool would that be to do the galaxy background? I haven't done that for a lot of years, so I might give that a go soon. Let me know if you want a video on that one. Right, now this one is called Turtle Friends. It's actually part of a bundle. Now don't do what I did and forget that and order just the stamp. I mean, of course you can do that, but if you decide that you want to have the punch that goes with it, then it's much cheaper. It's on page 48, or what? You can see you get 10% if you buy the bundle, but it's a different code. So you save 10%, whereas I forgot to buy it, so now when I go back and buy it, I don't get that 10% discount. So that's a bit disappointing. Still, you live and learn, don't you? I love this. Once again, these sentiments you can use with any other sets. A lot of the ones that don't come with sentiments, like that's a versatile font, can go anywhere. So happy birthday, you are turtly loved. It's time to celebrate. Don't you love the puns? Hello little one, forever friends. Happy belated birthday, sorry I was slow. Now, if you weren't going to use the turtle, but you did need to do a happy belated birthday, that's great. Or if you just like this font, which I do, you could actually mask off the sorry I was slow and the belated and push them together and have happy birthday, or layer them. I love it when there's things like this where you can actually get more bang for your buck, so to speak. Okay, now onto some bundles where I did remember to buy both the bundles and use the bundle code. Now if you'll see, all of mine have got a label here and they're on magnet sheets. That's something I do myself. They're not done by Stampin' Up. So when you get yours, it won't be like this. It will be stuck on cardboard. This is just something I like to do for me. This is just a really cute set. And it says, just thought you should know how wonderful you are. I'm here for you, ... always. Thank you. Of course, once again, you could leave off parts of this if you wanted to. Really cute. It's a cling. And these are the dies. They coordinate, but they don't cut out any of these images. So you can use them together, of course, but they won't actually cut out any of these images. I really like it. And in the catalogue, there's a sample. Let me see if I can find it. This one here. That's actually, they've used that with a standalone set called Layering Diorama, which I love. You could use that for melted snowmen or pools or just fancy borders and shapes. I'm actually going to case this card. Actually, I think I'm going to case this one too. I just think they look awesome. So once again, this one is a standalone die set, whereas these ones, if you order the bundle code, you can get both for 10% discount, or you can just buy them individually. If you say you thought you'd never use those and only this, you can just get that one. I like that it gives you options. So there's that. Next up is another one you can get either individually or as a bundle, and it's the All for Baby with the coordinating baby clothes. It's a PHOTOPOLYMER stamp set, and it's just really, really sweet. So I think that'll be fun for if you know people who are having new little ones in their life. I think that'll be super cute. Okay. The next one is Artistically Inked. It's also a bundle. I actually got this as a suite, and I'll show you the components in just a moment. These are so different, so fun. You actually really do get that gorgeous definition and dimension. It's a flat, but it just has it's really, really cute. And these sentiments, once again, great fonts, good for any occasions. You can use them with this set or any set you like. The dies, once again, it does cut out some of these images, but then you've got these standalone pieces. Just beautiful. And before we go on to the suite, let me show you the last dice that I got, which is basic borders. They don't coordinate with anything, but you can use them for anything. So there's clouds, so if you wanted to create a scene, you could do that. Just really versatile, you can use them for anything. Okay, let's go on to the rest of the item in the artistic suite. And I just realised I'm missing one. I just wanted to, this is actually what made me want to do the live today, because I can't begin to tell you how gorgeous this paper is. It is gorgeous, and it's a specialty one. So I don't know if you can tell, it's actually got gold foiling. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. So there's 2 of those, and then it's got the plain, there's no foiling on the other side. Another gorgeous sheet. This one's got the foiling, 2 of these, and then isn't that just gorgeous? I really don't know that there's another word to describe this other than just gorgeous. It is just gorgeous, and the colour is just like, they're quite brilliant. I know my lighting's quite bad and you're not getting that vibrant colour, but it's just magnificent. Really pretty. If you were a scrapbooker, can you imagine how great you could stick your picture? Oh, it'll look fantastic. This is the specialty gold foiled piece, and then the plain B-side. This has got the specialty gold foiling, beautiful, and then the plain. Then we've got white and gold stripes, great for anniversaries, or just cutting off a little bit and having a border on your card. And then you've got the plain on the other side. So it's a really gorgeous paper pack, and I think it's going to be fun to create with. Now there was another piece in this set, and I'm not quite sure where I put it, so I can't show it to you. Also, that was a bit silly, wasn't it? I thought I had everything together. There's an ephemera pack basically, and it's got gold pieces that you can use to make your card look really pretty and different and special, and it's just really lovely. Let me see if I can find it. Page 141. So it looks like this. So they're all gold, and there's some sequins with it as well. It's really pretty, and I don't even know where I put it. Somewhere safe, I'm sure. I was only playing with it a little while ago. Oh, so next, kits. I've taken it out of the plastic because I had thought I might make it. And I love that this one's got everything that you need. It's the For the Guys card kit. Now it comes all wrapped up in plastic, but as I said, I've taken it out, and they've now got colour instructions. How good is that? So I think that's awesome, because I used to find some of their old instructions a bit difficult. Tells you what to make, shows you everything that's got in it, and it's got everything. So it's got a stamping spot, your stamps, it's even got a block for your stamps, adhesive with your dimensionals, little glue dots, and all the little things that you need, including envelopes, and they're fancy ones too. So nice colour with pretty inserts. I just love that. Some nice silver foiled sentiment bits, and they're so all the things you need. Card bases, labels, yeah. So this is one of those all-inclusive kits, and it's super fun. I'm going to look forward to doing that, and I like the fact that it's, you know, for the guys, so it's all masculine, and you can just have them on hand. Happy Father's Day, thanks for all you do. I think there's birthday, anniversary, might be a bit hard to see. Happy to you, separate stamps. Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, thank you. Then there's nephew, son, for all you do. I love you, grandson, friend, grandpa, uncle, brother, dad, and a fancy dad. So you can use that for so many occasions, and it's in a really nice box, so I just keep these on my shelf for when my mojo's missing. I think they're great to pull out and create with. Even when it's not messing, it's just fun to create with. Okay, I also got another pack of the What a Year Memories and More card. These are the ones that they only have one of each card, and you know, I was just raving about how much I thought they were beautiful, and so I got another pack so I can start creating with them. I mean, look at these, they're just great. And then there's 2 packs in here, so don't think this is how many you get. You only get these, which is still a lot. You can make a lot of cards or scrapbook pages with these, so I was very excited about that. Okay, and then you've got to get your staples, don't you? So here's that ephemera Expressions in Ink ephemera pack. It was hiding under a card I made. So they're the sequins, really pretty. Now, while these are actually gold on one side, you can see that they're, you can see that they're white on the other. So you could even use the white side for your card making or your scrapbook pages. So aren't they beautiful? So I think they're going to be a lot of fun to create with. And then finally, because you need your staples, clear medium envelopes. I put all the cards that I make in these envelopes so that I can put them on display in my craft room before I'm ready to send them out. And then I tend to actually send them out with them as well. Also, if I've done a lot of die cutting or coloured pieces, I store it in here. So I highly recommend those. The code is 102619 and you get 50 in a pack. Love, 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 love. The other one is so you can actually post them. So I've got a packet of basic white envelopes and you get 40 in a pack, and the code is 159235. Because you make all these cards, you need to send them. And just because I'm feeling a bit cheeky, sneak peek of the card you'll see on the blog on Sunday. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.